Hello, Algebra 1 class. Today I'm going to solve a coin problem for you. Tom has 4 times as many quarters as dimes. In all, he has $2.20. How many coins of each type does he have? So your first step is going to be drawing a chart or some other form of an organization technique to declare, to show what your variables stand for, or your variable stands for. So this is what mine looked like. Pretty simple. You have, since this is a coin problem, you have the quarters and dimes, number of quarters and dimes, the value of quarters and dimes of 1 quarter and 1 dime, so 25 cents and 10 cents, and the total, which is number of times value equals total. So let's fill in our chart. So the number of quarters is 4 times as many dimes. So dimes is X, and quarters is 4 times that, so 4X. So the value of 1 quarter is 25 cents. The value of 1 dime is 10 cents. The total, 4X times 25, is 100X. And X times 10 is 10X. And so this plus this equals $2.20. So let's write this down here. So 220 cents. We're going to do it like this with no decimal point and all number of cents because it gets confusing with the decimal point basically. So our first step is, remember, to add 100x. The equation is 100x plus 10x is equal to 220. So let's write this out. Alright, simple enough. So 100x plus 10x is 110x. And that's equal to, still, 220. So next, we're going to divide by 110 on both sides. And x is equal to what? X is equal to 2. Why? Because 220 divided by 110 is 2. The next part is, don't forget to write the answer in your brackets. And then next, you have to, the last part of the problem is, how many coins of each type does he have? So that means the number of quarters and the number of dimes. That's okay. You all know that's equal sign. So dimes is x, and since we figured out that x is equal to 2, dimes is equal to 2. So he has 2 dimes. And then the number of quarters is 4x. So since x is 2, The number of quarters is 8. Make sense? Now let's check our work. So since we figured out that we have 8 quarters and 2 dimes, and since quarters, the value of 1 quarter is 25 cents, the value of dimes is 10 cents, we're going to do 8 times 25 and 2 times 10, and we should get 220. And guess what? 200 plus 20 equals 220 cents. Yay, we got it right. There we go. Checked. And it's the correct answer. That's how you solve an equation.